In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute people on Discord. Muting is a quick, respectful way to take a break from someone's notifications or voice without leaving a server or blocking anyone. It's completely private, and the other person won't be alerted that you've muted them. Let's walk through exactly how to do it so you can focus when you need to. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app or the browser version, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're signed in and on the home screen or inside the server where you've been chatting. Next, head to the person you want to mute. If you're talking in direct messages, look for their name in your DM list on the left and open the conversation. If you're in a server, you can find them in the member list or right from the chat area if they've recently sent a message. The goal is to get to their name so you can bring up the options menu. Now right-click their name. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same. On a touchscreen or mobile device, press and hold the name until the menu appears. This opens a context menu with controls specific to that person. In that menu, click Mute. Discord will offer timing options so you can choose how long you want the mute to last. Pick the duration that fits your situation, maybe just a few minutes to get through a task or an hour or more if you're stepping away. Once you choose a time, the mute takes effect immediately. Here's what happens when you mute someone. You'll stop getting alerts and sounds from that person during the mute period. This helps reduce distractions without affecting anyone else's experience, and it doesn't change your ability to read messages when you're ready. If you're in a voice context, muting prevents their audio from coming through to you. If you need to end the mute early, simply repeat the same steps, right-click the name again, and choose Unmute. You can also rerun the process to change the duration whenever you like. And if you want to mute multiple people, just do the same thing for each person. A quick tip: if you don't see the mute option right away, make sure you're clicking directly on the person's name in the conversation or member list and confirm you're on the latest version of Discord. Press and hold on mobile is the equivalent of a right click. That's all there is to it. With just a couple clicks, you can keep your notifications under control and stay focused. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.